Makapala emang.
Okay. Hello, agents. Hello, esteemed partners. There's a new pattern of fraud in town. This money was taken to an agent location for deposit. As you are seeing this money now, this money it's in the form of, this is 18,000. Meanwhile, if you check very well, you will see that the money is 9,000, not 18,000. So follow me, look carefully as I explain what this means. If you hold this money like this age here, if you count it, is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18,000. Meanwhile, when you turn it the other way, the other age, you see, if you count it, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You see what these people are doing. So this is what they do. They will take 1,000 and put another half of 1,000. Look at it here, another half of 1,000. So if you're not careful, they will take this money like this and give you, like, if they are giving you are presenting the money, they will give you like this. You that is not careful, you will collect it. Once you count here, you will not be careful, as in you will not check the other side end. You think once you count it here, it will give you 18,000. But meanwhile, the original money, everything here, you see, if you check very well, here down here is 9,000, not 18,000. If you use this place to count, is 18,000. So please, you have to be very careful when anybody comes with money, most especially agents, most especially people that come with to do transfers, to send money to other people. When you come, be careful. If you can just be patient and count it 1 2 3, be careful. It's your business. Because this person, if not that God did this for this agent, he would have collected it like this and post 18,000. By the time he wants to do to balance his account, when he check very well, he will see that this money is not complete.